This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome to section number 4. Now, it is very important for you to know how LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Uber, all of these big unicorns, they have started off and what was the growth hacking techniques they have implemented during their initial journey of their startup. Now, since they have started, they have now become really huge. But there was some of the hack which has actually skyrocketed their business, whether it is Airbnb or LinkedIn or Uber or Instagram. All of these 8 case studies, I am going to talk how these companies have started, what went wrong, what went positive, what went negative, and how these companies have actually scaled such big operations in no time. Each case study or each example is divided into 2 parts, which is the first one is how they started. So there is an infographic which I have researched and I found it online, and I think that is going to make a lot of difference for you to understand how these big guys have actually made it so far. In the second section or the second part of the same video, I am going to talk about the actual growth hacking techniques or hacks they have implemented during the initial stages. So stay tuned. It is going to be very interesting when you come to know how LinkedIn got started and all of these 8 companies to be precise. So I'm going to talk about LinkedIn, Uber, Snapchat, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. 8 companies, hacks, and techniques is what I'm going to reveal in the next section or in the next video section of this series. So I am quite excited for you to learn these techniques, and I am quite interested to show you what is exactly growth hacking for this company meant to be when they started. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.